Good morning, Jungle. How are you? I miss you so much. Today we're gonna take this sound. It's sound of ha, ha, ha. Ha have so many friends. Like we see, like heart, hat, horse, and house. Let's start with horse. Ha for horse. Repeat after me. Yeah. Ha, horse. Ha for what? For hat. Excellent, Jungle. Ha for hat. Hat. And we have to honey. Yeah, it's so yummy. Honey. Ha for honey. Excellent. You are so clever. Oh, what is it? It's an hand. Hand. Hand say hi and hello. Ha for hand. Ooh, it's an happy face. Ha, happy. Ha for happy. The sun is so happy like today. And what else we have? Ha for heart. Ha for heart. Heart. This is the ha sound, how we write it. Up, yeah, up and down, and another up and down, and dash. Excellent. Who gonna help me to find ha? Yeah. Oh, thank you, Jungle, for watching me. See you soon.